Hello everyone, I hope everyone is passing a wonderful day. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and turn your notification bell icon. Forget latest product updates. Today I am talking about the Keurig K Classic Coffee Maker, the classic Keurig K-Cup single-serve coffee maker, and perennial bestseller, the Keurig K Classic brews a rich, smooth, and delicious cup every time with the quality you expect from Keurig. Simple touch buttons make your brewing experience stress-free, and multiple K-Cup pod brew sizes help to ensure you get your perfect cup. Whether you like your coffee strong, mild, decaf, or flavored, you can brew all of your favorites with the Keurig K Classic, and with large 48 ounces water reservoir, you can brew 6+ cups before having to refill. Discover hundreds of K-Cup pod varieties from all of the brands you love, including Green Mountain Coffee, Starbucks, and Lipton, and enjoy coffee, tea, hot cocoa and more. Also available in a 2 fun colors to complement your decor, and compatible with the Keurig Classic Series My K-Cup reusable coffee filter, so you can brew your own ground coffee. If you like this video and need more information about Keurig K Classic Coffee Maker, then check description with link.